Well, being a champion, being a heavyweight champion, obviously everybody wants to fight you, but you can only fight one person at a time. But you got to fight the best person out there that's going to make you look good, and depending on how you're plotting out your career. So if you're plotting out your career that, okay, I want this guy then, that guy then, this guy then, the public's not going to like that, because you should really box to who the public wants you to fight, because that's where the most money is. So for me, it was always, I box who the public wants me to fight for the most money. I won't box this guy just because of that. I want to box the best guy out there for my career.